Hi, I am Jobet Cruz. I make videos featuring stories of people and places. And this is my girlfriend, Sarah. She's the sweetest, kindest, friendliest, and smartest person I know. I don't think one video is enough to describe how beautiful she is. This video is not about her though. It's about one of the most popular destinations across Southeast Asia. It's also about our personal experiences, the people we've met, places we've been, and the paradise that we've seen. Nusa Penida, a beautiful island only an hour boat ride from mainland Bali. It's fascinating that just 3 years ago, the island's beauty was only enjoyed by the people living there. I'm not exactly sure if it wasn't open to tourism yet or if it just wasn't discovered at that time. According to the locals we talked to, most of the resorts or dive shops you see are not older than 2 years old. After gaining popularity online, there's almost never a day that you won't see a tourist there. From underground temples, beautiful beaches, scenic views from above, there's just so much to see. Now, Nusa Penida is said to be the most beautiful island in Bali itself. Why?
Who's there?
Kelingking.
Kelingking who?
Kelingking.
You know that song?
No, I don't know that song.
Now, the cheapest way to roam around the island is through a motorbike. We rented one during our entire stay, went to the normal spots, ate nasi goreng, again, and again. And of course, we went diving. Our resort was close to a dive shop that looked nice and neat from the outside. The people were welcoming, the equipment was new and good, and the place was relaxing. Harry is one of the owners of the dive shop. He was kind enough to guide our dives and give us a really nice deal. What did we see? But our favorite of all, I was inches away from the Manta and I could almost hear my heart pounding every time it circled in front of me. Now, back on the boat, we couldn't stop talking about it. We could have stayed there for an hour, just staring in wonder at those majestic creatures. It was a really special dive for us. Nusa Penida's popularity is based on its untouched and exotic beauty. No wonder it is the favorite of many. Though the time we spent there was not plenty, we left the place full, satisfied, and very